Hello and welcome back. This is part 3 of my rocket stove mass heater build for my aquaponics system. Today we're going to cut the riser pipe and the plate that'll sit on, and then the insulation pipe and the barrel to go on top. So let's get started. Okay, here's a base that I'm going to be putting on the top of this. This is a piece of 3/8 inch flat steel that just had cut off a little bit. There's this piece sticking out over here. I just left that on there, and I'll use that for a shelf or something. But I've got a hole cut in the center. That's coming up my stack there, and I'll have a 8-inch pipe that'll go on that. And that's the 8-inch pipe over there. I need to cut that down and put that on top. Okay, I've got my riser pipe here. This is a piece, it's 8 inches inside diameter. It's some casing pipe from the oil field. So heavy duty, 3/8 inch thick. So that should last forever. I don't know if this will show up looking down the tube or not. Nope, can't see down there. So that sits right over the hole for my riser pipe. Now I'm going to, the length of that is 32 inches, so that'll set just about 1.5 inches below the top of my barrel to go on top of there. And the next I'm going to cut the top out of the barrel, so that'll fit on there, and we'll test that. Okay, I've got a 55-gallon steel drum, and this is the top, and I thought that was going to be about the best way to do it, so I've got a hole cut in that fit over my riser tube, so this will end up being the bottom. So I've already got my exhaust cut and fit in there, so let me put that top piece here over my riser. Okay, so how that's going to fit. I cut that just big enough to go around the base of that. So that'd be the lid, and that'll give me a good groove for this barrel to sit in to seal it. Now let me cut the stovepipe to act as the insulator. We'll put that on next. Okay, here's my top pipe to act as the insulator. This is a piece of 12-inch stovepipe, and then I cut a piece out of some other flat galvanized here stovepipe, and that'll act as the lid for that. That'll go around that, and then inside here for the insulation I've got a bag over there of Thermarock vermiculite. That's what I'll be using for insulation. Okay, so I've got my 55-gallon drum set on top there. Got the exhaust coming out of the back here. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. I'll do a test fire of this. Okay, next thing is going to be to do a test burn on this and see if we can get it hot enough to burn off the paint on the barrel. Pretty good painted barrel, but okay, well, thanks for watching, and if you want to make my day, please click on like or leave a comment or a question. Thanks for watching. Okay, this darn thing, get on there, getting around here. God, it's hard to do one-handed. Get on there.